Good morning, second graders. It is Monday, May 4th. Week 8 of videos. We've made it this far. We're almost done. You guys have been working so hard and I'm so proud of you. We're going to still do some lessons. Next week will all be review. This week, well, there may be some review, but we've still got a little bit of stuff to add in here. And it's all stuff you're going to do again in 4th or 3rd grade if you're coming back here. So a lot of it you will review it again. So if you struggle right now, it's okay. Just do your best. We're going to review about a dictionary. Dictionary have words in them, and those words are called entry words. The words at the top of each of the dictionary page are called guide words. There's also a part that tells what the job of a word is in a sentence. It contains the part of speech. It also tells us how to pronunciate the word, and sometimes it gives us a sample sentence, and the dictionary tells what the words mean. Well, sometimes a word can mean more than one thing. It might have 2 or even more definitions, and we can use the dictionary to find all the meanings of the words. So if you look on page 319, we have a little example of that. It says some entry words have more than one definition. Each definition has a small number beside it. Mrs. King put a seal on my certificate. Did Mrs. King put a sea animal on her certificate? Well, no. She put a shiny sticker on it. The word seal has different definitions. So we have the word bark. It tells us the part of speech is noun, and the first definition says the loud sound a dog makes. Or the second is the outer covering of a tree. So you're going to answer 1, 2, 3, 4 with that. So number 1 says mark the circle next to the sentence that uses the second definition of bark. Okay, the second definition, the outer covering of a tree. So I read, my dog began to bark when I left for school, or the bark on an aspen tree is white. You would pick the second sentence because it's talking about the bark on a tree. All right, so you're going to do 2, 3, and 4. And then on the back, number 1 says circle the sound in each word. Okay, the ones that say what special sound says Number 2, draw lines to match rhyming words. 3, draw lines to match antonyms, which are opposite. Number 4, draw lines to match the subjects with the predicates to make a complete sentence. All right, that's our language. In our math today, I probably call it language a lot because 3rd grade is our phonics and language. All right, in math today, the easiest way to talk about is to look at page 320. Okay, because we're going to talk about line graphs. The easiest way is to look at our book. So if you look at our line graph along the bottom, which is horizontal, it lists different months. At the top, it has a title. It says average high temperatures at Arches National Park. Along the side vertically are the temperatures. Okay? So number 2 says to answer the question, which month has the hottest temperature? So look through your months, and which one up there is the temperature the hottest? July, that's right. B, is the average temperature for August warmer or cooler than 9 degrees? So go over to August, take your finger up to the point, and go over, and it's at 95. So is the average temperature for August warmer or cooler than 90 degrees? It would be warmer. Number 3 says, complete the table by writing the temperature for each month. So April, you're going to go over to April, then take your finger over, line it up. It's at 70 degrees. So you'll do that for each one. May, go to May, go up, and line it up. It's 80 degrees. Okay? Then number 4, find the difference in temperatures and look at the table. Okay? If you look at the front of that, 319 says write the times and set the clocks. Number 2, fill in the blanks. 3, count by 4s over the arch, and by 3s under the arch. We haven't done a bunch of counting by 4 because you guys haven't been here. If you were here, we'd be doing it every single day. So work on that. If you have to, get some help from your parents there, because I know counting by 4s can be a little tough. All right, let's look at science. We're almost done with science. We'll finish up on Wednesday this week. We're on page 175 talking about the sun. And we're going to go to page 179. So you're going to talk about sun's energy, then orbit, and then you got some question to answer on 178. And then on 179, it has a experiment that maybe you could try with mom and dad. All right, and that is our Monday. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you back for Tuesday.